Hello, welcome back in my channel with this 11 plus series. Before you watch this video, I suggest you to do the paper on your own. Download it, it's free, then work on it for only about 10 minutes. When you're ready, let's compare your answers with mine. Here we go! Okay, let's start with the first question. What is the digit 2 worth in this number? Circle the answer. 2 is here at the very end of the number, so we read this as 172. That means 2 is just 2 units, so it's here. Question number 2. Estimate the whole number the arrow is pointing to. So if we have 0 here and 10 here, we just need to check a little bit if this point represents one whole number each. If we start from 0, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that was correct. This one is 6. What about number 3? Circle the group that only contains even numbers. Let's check. If they have odd numbers, then we cross this out. I spot an odd number here, so we cross this out. It's not an option. Let's check B. I spot 63. It's an odd number, so we cross this out as well. Let's check option C. Is 52 even? 60 is even. 82 is even, and 38 it's even number. Everything is even number, so this must be our answer. What about this one? I spotted this, and obviously it's not an even number. Okay, now question 4. Total 20 and 40. 20 add 40, it's obviously very easy. And then now half 76. There's some ways to halve it. You can halve 6 first, you get 3, and then you halve 70, you get 35. So you get altogether 3 and 35, it's 38. You can do this, that's okay. Or if you want to do this bus stop method, this sign looks a little bit like bus stop. 78 divided by 2. First number you have 7, 7 divided by 2, you get 3. But then 3 times 2 is only 6. So you have remainder actually. Remainder is 1. So if you put together 1 and 6, it's 16. 16 divided by 2, it's exactly 8. So you get the same answer, it's 38. 38. So both methods work. It's up to you which one you want to do for your work. Let's continue. Now at the next page you find question 6. Add the correct symbol. This one is called less than, this one is called larger than, and this one is called equal. So you need to check, will this one be less or more or equal to this one? You see 9 and 9, 18. And then 6 times 6, if you're good with your timetables, you know it's 36. Anyway, just in case you forgot your timetables, please check my other video, how to do the timetables from 5 to 10, just using your fingers. You can find the answers only in 3 seconds. Just try that. Anyway, for this one is less than this one. So we use this sign. With question number 7, circle the number that equals to 7 times 8. And again, it's timetables. Really, it's good to remember your timetables. It's just 56. Just in case you don't, please do check that video I suggested above. What are the next questions? Okay. Question number 8. Put these numbers in order, smallest first. If you see this many numbers, then I will suggest you to check the 100 first. It's 200, 600, 400, 600. So this must be the smallest one. 2, 4, 6. And then 600 and 400, this must be the smallest. 4, 2, 6. And then 642, 624. They have the same hundreds, but then this one is 42, it's 24. So this one is smaller. 6, 2, 4. And then this will be the last one. 6, 4, 2. Now number 9. What fraction of this shape is shaded? You see how many parts is shaded? It's 1, 2, so it's 2 out of all of it. All of it, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. So the fraction is 2 by 4. But also, if you want to rename it as a half, that's fine. If you leave it as 2/4, that's also okay. Then finally, last question. Write the decimal number between 1.1 and 1.5. It's quite obvious. If you have 1.1 and then 1.5, there will be some numbers in between. You can guess it's 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. So just choose any of them, a decimal number, so you can take any of them. I'll take 1.2. Okay, now we're at the end of the test. This is the first test. I'm quite sure it's easy. Keep up the good work and help yourself with more practice papers, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.